you complete that? Before, after, and between?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to give a thumbs up, Priya. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Give a thumbs up. Don't start switching on your mics. Actions speak louder than words. Show me your thumb. Okay, very good. Now quickly let's just revise. I told you before means. Omansh, what does before means?
Pehle.
Pehle, very good. Arav, after means?
Ma'am, बाद में.
Very good. Rishita, between means?
बीच में.
Beach mein, in the middle, in the center. Very good. Okay, let's quickly revise. Fold your hands. Fold your hands straight. This exercise all of you have completed. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Let me see how many have completed. Have you all completed? Anya, have you completed this exercise? All right. So now I am going to ask you these same numbers and you will keep checking in your book कि आपने answer correct लिखा है कि नहीं. Okay. One by one I will ask you quickly. What comes before 2? Aradhya? Okay. What comes before 3? Aradhya? 3 से पहले 2. Very good. Ronik, what comes before 5?
पहले.
5 से पहले क्या आता है?
5 से पहले.
Yes. जल्दी जल्दी फिंगर्स पे जल्दी जल्दी काउंट करिए. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 से पहले क्या आया? जल्दी बताएंगे. 4. Very good. Okay. I add the next one. What comes before 9? फिंगर्स पे काउंट करेंगे. Yes. Very good. Yes. 8. Okay. Very good. Yes, Ayat. Good. Shivansh, the next one. 2 से पहले क्या आएगा? शिवांश, 2 से पहले क्या आएगा?
4.
2 से पहले फिंगर्स पे काउंट करिए. इधर देखिए. 2 फिंगर्स दिखाइए. 1 2. सो 2 से पहले क्या आया?
1.
1. पापा को बोलिए वहां पर बैठ के आपको आंसर्स नहीं बताएंगे. आपको अपने आप सब कुछ करना है. 1. I hope you all have written 1 in this clock over here. सबने 1 लिखा है इसमें. Okay. Next number. Pranjali, what comes before 8? 8 से पहले क्या आता है प्रांजलि? Quickly. Pranjali. Okay, sorry. Prashasti. Prashasti is here. Prashasti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What comes before 8?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Right. Vinayak, what comes before 10?
Ma'am, 9. 9.
Vinayak. Are you Vinayak? Vinayak.
9.
9. Okay, good.
9.
Okay. Arham, what comes before 6?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes before 6? 6 से पहले क्या आता है?
5.
6 के पहले
5.
5. Very good. Hardik, what comes after 2? 2 के बाद में क्या आता है? फिंगर्स पे काउंट करिए. 1 2 3. मम्मी की तरफ नहीं देखेंगे.
1 2 3.
3. Very good. तो 2 के बाद क्या आया?
3.
3. Very good. Hriday, what comes after 5?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay, good. Omansh, what comes after 8?
9.
9. Very good. Hayat, what comes after 3? Count on your fingers, Hayat. 1, 2,
Ma'am,
3,
4.
4. Hassan, don't answer out of turn. Hayat, show me your fingers. Show me your fingers, Hayat. Show me like this. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 के बाद क्या आ गया? Yes, put on your mic. Your mic is off. Switch on your mic. 3 के बाद क्या आ गया?
4.
4. Very good. Okay. Next, Vaishnavi.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
comes after 9? What comes after 9?
10.
10. Very good. Okay, Arav. What comes after 1?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Very good. Manjeet, what comes after 4?
5.
5. Very good. Sakina. Now the next term. What comes in between? Between means in the middle. बीच में क्या आता है? 1, 2, 3. So 1 और 3 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Very good. Hassan. The next one. What comes between 2 and 4?
And 2.
2 और 4 के बीच में. Middle, in between. नंबर्स
3.
बोलिए 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 तक नंबर्स बोलेंगे. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे 2 और 4 के बिटवीन मिडिल में कौन सा नंबर आया? 3. दैट्स राइट. ओके. निपुन, द नेक्स्ट वन. Which number comes between 8 and 10?
Yes, ma'am.
8 और 10 के between which number comes?
9.
9. Okay, good. Ishanvi, which number comes between 5 and 7? नंबर्स बोलिए 5, 6, 7. तो 5 और 7 के बीच में मिडिल में कौन सा नंबर आया?
Ma'am, 6. 6.
ईशानवी.
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay, fine. Shubh, what comes
Yes, ma'am.
between 4 and 6? Which number comes in between 4 and 6? So you will count 4, 5, 6. ऐसे काउंट करेंगे और उसके बाद देखेंगे 4 और 6 के बिटवीन में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है.
6.
मैम की तरफ हाथ देखिए, मम्मी की तरफ नहीं. मम्मी की तरफ नहीं देखेंगे. आपको कैसे पता 5 आया? मम्मी ने आंसर बता दिया, आपने जल्दी से बोल दिया. आपने करा अपने आप. मैम की तरफ देखिए. शो मी योर फिंगर्स.
Yes, ma'am.
शो मी योर फिंगर्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब आपको देखना है 4 और 6 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सो आपका 4 और 6 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आया? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. सो 5. इस तरह से फिंगर पे काउंट करके करना है. मम्मी आंसर बता देंगे, आप बोल देंगे, उससे नहीं काम चलेगा. नेक्स्ट, निपुन. What comes between 6 and 8? 6 और 8 के बीच में क्या आएगा? नंबर्स काउंट करिए. 6, 7, 8. नंबर्स बोलिए.
7.
7. Okay. Fardik, what comes between 3 and 5? What comes between 3 and 5? 4. Okay, very good. Now we are going to do this page. Come to this page, all of you. Now it says greater than, less than. Greater than means जो number ज़्यादा है, less than means जो number कम है, छोटा है. Again you have Kinney and Krish. Kinney has 4 apples. Krish has 2 apples. Kinney has 4 apples and Krish has 2 apples. आराध्या, किसके पास ज्यादा एप्पल्स हैं? किनी के पास या क्रिश के पास? किनी के पास ज्यादा एप्पल्स हैं. किनी has 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Krish has only 2 apples. Okay. Now 4 is greater than 2. 4 2 से ज्यादा है. Yes or no, children? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. 4 2 से ज्यादा है. अगर मम्मी ने आपको 4 एप्पल्स दिए और आपके भाई को 2 एप्पल्स दिए तो किसके पास ज्यादा होंगे? आपके पास. यस, यू विल हैव मोर एप्पल्स बिकॉज 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 2. नाउ 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 2. ये पूरा अगर हम सेंटेंस में लिखते हैं, वर्ड्स में लिखते हैं, तो बहुत लंबा सेंटेंस हो जाता है. यस, तो इस पूरे सेंटेंस को शॉर्ट करने के लिए वी यूज सम साइंस. हम लोग कुछ साइंस यूज करते हैं और वो साइंस जो है ना, वो क्रोकोडाइल के माउथ की तरह होता है. इट इज लाइक दिस. ऑल ऑफ यू डू दिस. पुट बोथ योर पाम्स टुगेदर. ऐसे करके अपने हाथ रखिए और ऐसे करके ओपन करिए. ओपन लाइक दिस. हसन, Vinayak, you are not doing it. Do this. This is the crocodile's mouth. Okay. And you know what the crocodile likes to do? The crocodile likes to eat all the big numbers. Crocodile को जितने big numbers होते हैं ना, वो खाना बहुत पसंद है. The hungry crocodile likes to eat all the big numbers like this, fast, fast. So what happens जब हम 4 is greater than 2, जब हम लिखेंगे ना, 4 ज्यादा है, 2 लेस है. 4 is greater than 2. So crocodile का माउथ जो होगा ना, जहां पर ग्रेटर नंबर है, बिग नंबर, दैट इज नंबर 4, उस साइड को ओपन हो जाएगा. अगर हमने लिखा 4 इधर है हमारे पास, 2 इधर है, तो क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ किस साइड ओपन होगा? 4 की साइड में. और जिस साइड छोटा नंबर है, द स्मॉलर नंबर, दैट साइड द क्रोकोडाइल्स माउथ इज गोइंग टू बी क्लोज्ड. द पॉइंटेड एज इज गोइंग टू बी क्लोज्ड ऑन द टुवर्ड्स द स्मॉलर नंबर. नाउ लेट्स look at the book. You can see the signs. The crocodile's mouth. Can you see the crocodile's mouth? It is opening towards the bigger number. Yes? Okay. The sign for greater than is this. And the sign for less than is this. 4 is greater than 2. So 4 के साइड में crocodile is going to eat the numbers, the bigger number. And then 2 is less than 4. Less than जो नंबर छोटा है उसकी तरफ crocodile का माउथ क्लोज रहता है. The pointed portion. Okay? This is the open mouth and the closed point this. This is the closed. 4 and 2, 4 के साइड माउथ ओपन रहेगा, 2 के साइड पे माउथ क्लोज रहेगा. Now look at the picture, the sums given here. You can see 4 is greater than 2, and then the next one is 2 is less than 4. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड? जो बड़ा नंबर है उधर क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ ओपन होगा, छोटे नंबर की तरफ तो क्रोकोडाइल्स माउथ विल बी क्लोज्ड. ओके. Equal to. Now there is something called equal to. Again, out of the 4 apples, Kinney gives 1 to Krish. Now Kinney is a very good monkey. Kinney is a good monkey. Kinney ने देखा कि क्रिश के पास सिर्फ 2 एप्पल्स हैं, तो चलो एक एप्पल हम और क्रिश को दे देते हैं. किनी के पास ज्यादा एप्पल्स थे तो उसने दे दिए क्रिश को. अब दोनों के पास इक्वल एप्पल्स हैं. दोनों के पास इक्वल एप्पल्स हैं. एंड चिल्ड्रन, इन द टॉप पिक्चर, see, you can see in the top picture, he's got 4 apples and he's got 3 apples. अब इसने यहाँ पर नीचे आकर क्या करा, एक एप्पल इसको और दे दिया. नाउ बोथ ऑफ देम, जब 4 में से इधर 2 एप्पल्स थे, 4 से 1 इधर आ गया, सो इधर 1 लेस हो गया और इधर 3 हो गए. दोनों के पास 3 एप्पल्स हैं. दैट मीन्स इक्वल टू. दिस इज द इक्वल टू साइन चिल्ड्रन. 2 sleeping lines. 2 sleeping lines. Look here. 2 sleeping lines. Equal to sign. See here. Do this, all of you. Hassan. Do this. This is equal to sign. Both the sides equal, right? Now 3 this side, 3 this side. Both the sides are equal. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, Inaya. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me the greater than sign. Crocodile's mouth will be open towards the greater number or smaller number.
Ma'am, greater number.
Greater number. Very good. Okay. Ayat. Ayat is feeling sleepy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to get up early, child, and sleep also early so that you don't feel sleepy in the class, right? Now, Inaya said this is greater than sign. Yes, right? Everybody, thumbs up. Is she right? Yes. Now, Inaya will tell me which sign is this. Sorry, Ayat will tell me which sign is this.
Equal to, ma'am.
Equal to. Very good. Okay, Arab. The next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
The less than sign. Less than sign is this side or this side? The closed side or the open side?
None, right side.
The closed side, right side. Okay, very good. Now look at the pictures on page number 24, all of you. Look
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
pictures. Count the number of objects and put the greater than or less than sign.
तो बड़ा नंबर खिलाना है.
Arav? Yes, Arav, what happened?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So look at the pictures. First you have to count the lollipops. The first one has been done for you, the lollipops. In the first square there are 6 lollipops. And second square there are 2 lollipops. Hayat, which is greater, 6 or 2? किस side lollipops ज़्यादा है? 6 or 2? 6. Very good. So the crocodile's mouth you can see is open towards the bigger number 6. Right? Now come to the next picture. You have some light bulbs over there. Ishanvi. Count
Yes,
the
ma'am.
count the bulbs on the first square.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5. Very good. Everybody, is it 5? 5 is correct. Is she right? Count all of you. Okay, so write over there 5 in that box like this. Write over there number 5, all of you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, Ishanvi says the next square has 8. Is she correct? Is she correct? Give me a thumbs up, children. All of you have to count. Okay, so write over there 8. Now, Ishanvi, tell me. Crocodile's mouth will open which side? 5 or 8?
8.
8. Very good. So open the crocodile's mouth towards 8. Like this, all of you. Okay. Hardik, the next one. Hardik, the next sum. Look at the bees over there. Count the bees in the first box. Everybody
1,
count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Is Hardik correct, children? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Okay, very good. All of you write there 9. Hardik, the next box.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Oh, very good. Put number 4 there, all of you.
Yes.
Okay, Hardik, now you tell me. Which number is greater, 9 or 4? कौन सा नंबर ज्यादा है? देखो किस तरफ ज्यादा बीज है, 9 या 4?
9. Ma'am, 9. 9, 9 बड़ा है.
Prashasti, you don't have to answer out of turn, child. Yes, Hardik. Which side?
9 बड़ा है.
9 बड़ा है. Okay, so crocodile's mouth will open which side, 9 or 4?
9.
9. Very good. Do it, children. Have you done it, Hardik? Okay, very good. Okay, Anya, the next picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anya, the next picture we have some bottles. Count the bottles in the first square.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anya, this picture. Count this picture.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Anya, there are 3 bottles there. So all of you write there number 3. Now count the bottles in the next square.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, ma'am.
All right, there are 7 bottles. Children, put their number 7. Now, Anya, tell me which number is greater, 3 or 7? Which number is greater?
7, ma'am.
7. Okay, very good. So, crocodile's mouth is going to open towards number 7. Aradhya, the next one. Count the number of kettles in the first box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Very good. So, put number 7 over there. Now, count the kettles in the next square.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
In the next one, 8. Next तेरा इसमें कितनी है?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Yes, Aradhya?
8.
8. Okay, so write over there 8. Now tell me which number is greater, 7 or 8? कौन सा number बड़ा है, 7 or 8?
8.
8. So crocodile's mouth will open which side, Aradhya?
8.
8. Very good. Put over there 8. All right. Ronik, the next one. You have some jars over there. Count the first box. Ronik, you have to be loud, child. I cannot hear you.
10. 10.
Okay, in the first box there are 10. So put over there number 10, all of you. And in the next one, Ronik?
9.
9. Very good. Put 9 over there, children. Now, which number is greater, Ronik?
10.
10 is greater. So the crocodile's mouth will open towards
10.
10. That's right. Okay, very good. Children, make sure you are putting the date on that page. Today's date is 27/5. Hassan, put the date. And don't throw your pencil here and there. Sit straight, pay attention. Look in front, Hassan. Alright children, now we have another exercise over here. You have to write in words. Words means आपको sentences में पूरा पूरा लिखना है. यहाँ पर signs use नहीं करेंगे हम. Okay? We will not use any signs here. We have to write the whole thing. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. We have to write the whole thing. You will not do it just now. Okay, put your pencils down and listen to what I'm saying. I will send you the picture. I will post the picture in the group. You will see and write it correctly and very neatly. Okay? And you will not start posting pictures till I tell you to. Right? Now, with that, we come to the end of your maths class. Make sure all of you, those who have not completed the above exercise, you will complete it. And this exercise you will do when I send you the picture. And put the date and whatever spellings are there. For example, spelling of the word greater. You have to learn that spelling. You have to learn the spelling of equal. You have to learn the spelling of less. All these spellings you have to keep learning, children. Whichever words, new word you come across, you keep learning the spellings. And don't switch off your cameras. Some of you, you are all the time sitting with your cameras off. Arav, Sakina, Vinayak, you are not attending lectures in the college, children. Adhiraj, आप कॉलेज में लेक्चर्स अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं बेटे, कि आप कैमरा ऑफ करके आराम से बेड पे लेटे रहेंगे या रिलैक्स करेंगे. आपको पूरा टाइम अपना कैमरा ऑन करके क्लास में बैठना है. Otherwise, it will become a problem for me. I will not know who is sitting there, who is doing what, and I will have to remove you from the meeting, children. Sakina, your camera is still not on, child. अब अगर मुझे किसी का भी कैमरा ऑफ दिखेगा तो हम मीटिंग से रिमूव कर देंगे. You are only in class 1, children. You are sitting in class and studying. कैमरा ऑफ नहीं करना है आपको. आप लोग को पूरा टाइम कैमरे के साथ नहीं खेलना है. क्लास नहीं अटेंड करनी है, दैट इज योर लुकआउट. Now take your break and join again in the next period for social studies. Okay? Thank you.